said, little bitch, you can fuck with me.
Hey guys, so I have a special guest here, and it's McKenzie. So I got new glasses. Do you like them? Yes, you do. So today we're gonna be trying to do we're gonna try to make the ugliest slime possible. So let's begin. Once she gets a chair, it's gonna be a little bit short. You can get a pillow if you want. I have like a little stool on mine. Oh, a couple pillows. Oh, you just up again. There we go. Now.
When we were doing that live, well, when you were doing that live and I was watching it, your phone fell, and I was like, "Ow, my face!" Okay. She has a fork. I don't know why she has a fork.
Because I like to use forks. I don't know why. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it. And I'm gonna, to make my slime the ugliest, I'm gonna put, I don't know, as much as you need.
I suck at making slime, so you're gonna have to, like, help me with this.
Ah!
All my slimes are fails. Try to save it.
So beads fell, but it's fine. Can't put it on.
Okay. Actually, I'm gonna add one.
So I'm gonna add a whole bunch of different beads to make it ugly. Hopefully it doesn't make it cute.
We don't want it cute, we want it ugly.
Yeah. Oh shoot, a lot of beads are falling out. And to make it ugly, I'm gonna add. Oh shoot, sorry guys. That always happens. Oh shoot, fudge. Fudge, fudge.
You already said fudge.
Yeah, I know.
Were you making sure you didn't say the other word?
Yeah.
Okay.
It kind of looks like cereal. So to make it ugly, I'm gonna add all of the colors. That's gonna make it pretty.
No, it won't. Why the heck? What is going on?
Just take
here?
off the lid.
Oh, okay.
You can add 1, 2, 3 dots of green.
There we go.
1, 2 dots, 3. Hopefully this doesn't dye my hands. 3 dots of blue.
I have an idea. This is actually making it look pretty, but don't worry, it's gonna be ugly.
2, 3, 4 dots of pink.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4 dots of purple. Time to mix it. Oh, ew. Ew. Wait, this is good. This is good. So then I can win the challenge.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Those are beads in case you want beads. Ew. Ew.
Oh, I was saying ew to the color.
Oh my god, this is nasty. Wait, hopefully it doesn't make it black, because some people like black slime. Hopefully it makes like a smoothie color. Like a slime smoothie color.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like it's making like a purple, and I don't want that. Look at that up.
The lid, I will.
Wait, it is purple. Yeah.
No, that isn't supposed to be a pretty color. It's turning into a pretty color. Angela!
But
It's turning into a pretty color.
it doesn't not my fault. I added like 5 dots of pink because I want it to be an ugly peachy color. Jeez, I don't want this to be purple. I'm gonna keep fixing this.
Probably gonna lose at this challenge.
You?
Like,
Me.
look at that prettiness.
Just add all the colors.
That's what I'm doing.
No, I don't want purple. It's giving me purple, guys. I don't want purple.
Add more yellow.
Sorry, guys. That's green.
Dang it.
It's like that's green.
Okay.
Try not to waste all of it, though. Okay. Oh, she's gonna win by her color.
No, it's turning purple. No, I can't have purple. How about some of... No, that's just gonna make it more purple.
No, it's making it a darker purple. Oh, what the fall? What the big fall?
You're purple.
Oh, jeez. I just added some more purple to purple. No! It's making it a pretty color.
Why'd you add more purple to purple?
Because I thought it was cute. I think a lid fell. So.
Ew, this is turning like baby food colored. Up here.
Yeah, I thought something fell. I'm using a lot of food coloring for this challenge.
Ew, gross.
Good, that looks good.
Oh,
No, it's purple.
no, can't be purple.
Because that's a cute color. Make it green.
Hopefully that
Yes,
doesn't
it
change
looks like vomit.
the color too much.
Yes, it looks like vomit. Kind of.
Mine looks like baby food poop.
Oh, mine looks like poop.
Mine looks like, you know how you, like, I'm not gonna say it.
Diarrhea.
Yeah.
Mine looks like poop. Yes. Yes. This is what I need. Are you looking for beads?
I'm gonna add this whole packet.
Okay, I don't care. Oh, some of them fell.
Yeah.
Oh, some of it fell.
Oh no.
Oh.
And it's not even into slime, so I can't actually like pick it up and put it back in.
Okay, so this color is perfect. I love this color. For this challenge, at least. Are you all done with the food coloring? Okay,
Yeah.
put it in here when you're done.
Okay.
Is it time to add my... Oh, shoot. What the heck is that? Oh, it's lime.
Oh shoot, what the heck is that? Oh, slime.
I thought it was like food coloring or something. You can keep that slime. you can keep that slime, yep. You made it, you keep it. Mine looks like normal poop.
I need it poopy color.
I had like purple plus green. It made a poopy color. That's still sticky. So this video is really long. We're not able to pause it because, you know, I don't want to pause it.
Ew. Ew, this is like gray.
This is kind of coming together. Might need a little bit more activator. I like this poopy color. And the beads in it look like the poop. That didn't get digested. With the food that didn't get digested. I love this color so much. For this challenge at least. But if I was making a good slime, I would not choose this color.
I have an idea.
I could add a little bit more food. I mean, not food coloring. It's like you just get trash from the. It's like you just get like pick up trash and put it in.
That's what I'm doing.
Jeez, what did your person eat?
This is like gray. I don't want it gray. Darn it, I should have kept my other color.
The sun is kind of coming together. Hopefully this video doesn't get
It's
deleted.
like yellow. Did you put it back?
I think so. It's green.
Right. Forgot.
It's neon green, so it looks like yellow. Oh, shoot. Okay, so we're just going to keep adding food coloring and mixing it.
Yeah.
So I'll be,
let's pause
I'll
this
be
video
right
so it
back.
won't
Okay, guys, so we're going to have you guys be the judges of who won. This is my poopy slime.
And this is my diarrhea slime.
And
like a
my
really
poopy
dark-
slime has a lot of beads because a lot of food did not get digested.
Mine, I took stuff off of the ground, but I think like I got it all out because I tried to take it out because I thought it was gross. So I took them all out, but yeah.
Now you guys be the judges of who won this challenge. Okay, ASMR time.
I know how to do like this.
Okay. Well, peace. We might go swimming, so yeah. Peace. Subscribe. Please like and subscribe. I will see you guys later.
You didn't say your subscriber's name in this video.
What?
Your Casillas.
Oh, yeah. So I will see you guys later. Little Mexican girl out. Wait, no. That was a fail. Don't listen to that. Bye, McKenzie and sis. I will see you guys later. Little Mexican girl out.